dear students, now we are going to see the 8th standard worksheet number 1. The lesson is Advent of the Europeans. First question, choose the best answer. The arrival of European in Indian history, modern period. C option. Second question, India's modern history begins dash century. B option, 18th century AD. Third question, the collection of administrative records are preserved in dash. The answer is C option, archives. Fourth question, according to historians, history is written mainly on the basis of dash. Option is C option, sources. Fifth question, the writing of Indian history was affected by the Persians. A option, Persians. Fill in the blanks to given notes. Here some options are given, we have to fill it. Where government records and documents are protected, archives. Dash helped Europeans to know about India's wealth. Written sources. Food chain chart is considered as a material sources. Asia's largest archives is Delhi. The oldest archives in South India is located Chennai. Look at the given pictures and make tabulation. So here some pictures are given. So below some question is asked. We have to fill in that table. Written sources and archive sources we have to find and fill the box. Written sources, pamphlet, epic and government documents. Archive sources are Sittanavasal, statue, St. George Fort, coins. And next question, look at the picture and answer the question. He was a French translator in Pondicherry, Anandarangam. His contribution in Indian history is diaries. His diary is a famous contribution in Indian history. And mark the trade centers located on Arabian coast in the given centers. So here the places of trade centers are given here. We have to mark it in the map. So here I have marked the places. You can copy it. Fill in the blanks, Indian sources and examples and uses given. From this we have to write examples. Written sources, literature and historical writings. Archives sources for that statue, coins we can write, and art and monuments we can write for the archives. Next to sort out the events. First question, English General Thomas Pest defeats Portuguese Navy in a battle near Surat. Here some events are given. We have to arrange it in a proper order. So the first event is Queen Elizabeth of England granted permission to the London Chamber of Commerce to trade with the East Indians. And next is Sailor William Hawkins asked Jahangir for permission to set up a trading center in Surat, but permission was not granted. And third one is the English General Thomas Pest defeats Portuguese Navy in a battle near Surat. And fourth one is Jahangir allowed the British to set up a trading center at Surat in 1613 AD. And 12th question is, observe the picture, answer the question. Here the picture saying George Fort is given. The old name of the building is St. George Fort only. The building was built by which European country? That was built by England. And during which occasion the Chief Minister will march in the building and hoisting the flag? So during Republic Day and also in Independence Day. Choose the correct options. In 1935, it was formally set up and was empowered to issue Government of Indian currency. That is, answer is Reserve Bank. It is also a proof of art and technology of Indian architecture. Delhi Parliament. And third question, he took a great effort to issue of Madras records, and then he opened a new chapter in the history of Tamil Nadu archives, that is Toddwell. And fourth question, his diaries contained the relationship between India and French. He was only written secular record during that period. Anandarangam. So next question is, read the paragraph and answer the questions. Here one paragraph is given. The first question is, Masulipatinam trading factory established by the British on the east coast of India. And the island of Bombay place obtained by marriage relationship of Portuguese and England. The Fort Chain Church was built in the city of present capital of Tamil Nadu, that is in Chennai. The English merchant obtained the place of Madras from the ruler of Chandragiri, Chennappa Nayakar. The Europeans in the table are marked tick in the circle. Here some country persons given, that is which one is belongs to the European. They are belongs to Europeans அப்படிங்கிறத டிக் பண்ணும். Europeans அப்படிங்கிற persons டிக் பண்ணும். So British, Dutch, French, Danish, Spaniards, Italians and Germans. So these peoples are Europeans. Thank you friends. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel.